Can I come in, Werner, please?
Yes.
The easiest way to do it, if you are going to capture the neutrons, is to create a salt water. It's if you have your all the other materials in the salt water, your ganses. So when you bring a common denominator salt water in connection or in between, that's the best place for the neutrons to be physically be able to capture and to be reused, not in empty space.
So the ball,
because most of the ganses you make still carries percentage of salt. You've got the linkage connection, and so it's easier for you to do that. Pardon?
So the ball, Mr. Keshe.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Keshe.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So the ball.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, can be filled with salt water that to ensure that neutron can be captured in there.
You will see what we've seen in. We're just getting the confirmation of maybe in next few days. The existence of the neutron, understanding that the water, when you put it in trying to create, as I taught you before, absorption of neutron, is very much in a plasmatic field. Even you don't see it because you think it's still water. In that plasmatic field, the water itself behaves in a magnetic environment. And if you understand the creation of colored diamonds, you see one crystal of or one single element gas of one entity within the carbon structure, and it turns to be pink and blue. What you will see is in line with the understanding that your water which you're trying to slow or capture the neutron in will change color. Depending on the strength of the neutron, pinkish, slight bluish is very, very easy to observe. We have confirmed that today. We're just going through confirmation of. So what you do, you use salt water and you watch the change of the color in the water which you want to capture the neutron. If you leave an empty space, where are you going to capture it? Where are you going to keep it? And then when it's kept, when you hold it, how are you going to use it? Those of you who are in a dynamic state of work of the space technology understand this very quickly. You can use it very, very rapidly. So in the process, you can continuously produce neutron, and in the interaction of the neutrons, create your gravitational field forces. So we're going one step further in the space development and understanding. So as you deposit new energies inside the plasma, inside the salt water will change color. And this understanding it that water is not pure water as you thought it's a salt. Now you have a crystal structure of the neutron, which depending on the salinity will create different colors. So if you take salt water pure and then you use it for capturing, slowing down in a way neutrons to be able to use it, when you take your water out, it has to be a slightly different color.